Hi, I wanted to introduce you to Tech Tuesday, where I'm going to show you a few Mary Kay apps that are free and available for anyone to use, primarily meant as tools for Mary Kay consultants, but I thought you'd get a kick out of seeing how they work. So this week I'm going to show you something called Skinsight, and of course I'm using my laptop, so the image isn't very clear, but we're going to open this app up, and I'm going to show you basically what it does. It's a tool to help me analyze someone's skin condition. Not like a doctor, but just to give me a rough idea of, based on what they've told me about their skin. Let's say their skin is normal, so we check off normal skin type. I say, let's get started. And it's going to ask me to face the camera at someone because I can't take a selfie of myself. It wants a forward-facing camera. So I'm going to cheat and use a magazine with this young lady here, and we're going to capture the image real quickly on the phone and use it as my model. So I aim it at her face. It's processing because I got practice at this. And it's going to come up with, based on her skin type, or her skin type is normal, but her skin is very healthy. It's all in the green. Very little needs to be tweaked. Just a basic routine would be recommended. If you tap for details here, you'll see a little more. You can go into more information. I mean, it really goes in depth. You can even read more. Like, you really can educate yourself onto how best recommend things for your client. And then there's a regimen at the bottom here, and it list of what she can use day and night for her skin, extra treatments. I can share the results with her after I've taken this image, and it'll load like email, text, and other options that I can send it to so she can retrieve this information later. My hope is that it'll be something I can use at appointments, maybe to follow up after the first appointment to see how well the products they're using right now versus what they're going to use. Maybe a new Mary Kay cleanser versus what they used to use, or after they've used the Mary Kay cleanser for a couple weeks and they want to see if it's really shown any improvement. It's nice to have something that gives a quantified, that's a fancy word for numbers, data, result versus a subjective opinion like my own, which is me saying, oh, you look great. We can actually say you've seen improvement in your skin, looking at the image for the first time and the numbers you got, and then the image for the second time and the rating. You'll actually be able to see improvement in your skin. Nice thing is we have a 100% satisfaction guarantee, and I will happily exchange and tweak and adjust the regimen until it's just right for you. And this is just another tool to help me become more efficient at my job.